Hello बच्चों, I will start today exercise 8E because exercise 8C and D are not in the syllabus as has been told by the board. In this exercise, the concept of complementary angle in trigonometry. Complementary angle. Complementary angle means when sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called the complementary. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. If this angle is theta, then this would be its complementary angle, and this is denoted by 90 minus theta. Or in digital value, you can say if it is 30 degree, this would have become 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Then the concept applying in our trigonometrical ratios, let us understand. Sin 90 minus theta, if it is written, then it will become cos theta. How it will follow, let us consider. This is hypotenuse, this is with reference angle theta, this will become height and this will become base. If you are writing cos theta, this will become how much? B upon h. And if you are taking this reference angle, then this B will become the perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. Then relation between B and H will be sin 90 minus theta will be equal to B upon H. Taking these two different reference angles, when you are taking this much, then cos theta B upon H. If you are taking this reference angle, then sin 90 minus theta is this B upon H. It does mean right hand values are B upon H. It does mean left values would be similar. Or taking as a rule, you can take if it is sin 90 minus theta, sin would be changed to cos, and cos 90 minus theta would be equal to sin theta. Then there is actually change. Formula is you are getting is sin will be changed to cos and cos would be changed to sin. Tan would change to cot and cot will change to tan. Sec will change to cosec and cosec will change to sec. Randomly taking example, if it is given sec 90 minus 30 degree, then you can read, if you calculate this will become sec 60, or simply taking 90 regarding this rule, this will become cosec 30, means sec 60 and cosec 30 will have the same values. Then applying this simple concept to the questions, you are having exercise 8E. Let us take question number 1. Question is given, first part it is sin 11 upon cos 79 degree. In this question or all the type of questions, you will observe the sum of these two angles, whether in numerator upon denominator or written like this in question number 3, sum of these two angles would be 90 degree. In this again, for the sake of understanding, I am telling you 11 plus 79 is equal to 90 degree. 9 or 1 10, 7, 8 and 9. Then 79 degree can be written as 90 minus 11. Means one of the angle would be changed in this format, 90 minus something. If you want to change 11 degree angle, then 11 would be written as 90 minus 79. Whether you change numerator or denominator, any one of the given whether numerator or denominator, only one will be changed. And question will become sin 11 degree, this cos, and within the cos the angle 79 will be changed like this, 90 minus 11 degree. Sin 11 upon cos will change to sin due to 90. This is the formula. If 90 minus something is used, then cos will become sin and this angle will come. Both the similar values will be cancelled, answer will be coming 1. This is actually the concept of the solution of the question number 1 will be solved in this way, 2 also will be solved in this way. Let us take question number 3. In question number 3, it is given sin 50 degree minus cos 40 degree is equal to 0 to be proved. Then you will take LHS and don't write this. Sine 50 degree minus this 40 will be written as 90 minus 50 degree, because in your rough work you can calculate 50 plus 40 is equal to 90, then 40 can be changed as 90 minus 50 degree. This calculation you should keep in your mind. It is sin 50 minus again sin 50, both similar values subtracting become 0. In this way you will have to solve the question. In other questions some technicalities will also come. For the sake of starting size 80, you take this consideration today, and you can solve whatever questions you should solve. In next class I will discuss some more questions. Thank you.